Hello guys, hope you will be fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are closing over chapter number 8. First of all, we are solving exercise 8.2. As you know that we are solving short syllabus question. So today our short syllabus question of exercise 8.2 is first of all question number 3. So I write question number 3. Question number 3, and question number 3 is sketch the graph of each of the following lines. And the short syllabus, in short syllabus the given question is its B part, that is 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So I write here 3x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. You can see this is a line, and in this line first of all we write it in a standard shape, that is y is equal to mx plus c. You can see y is on the left side of equal, so I separate here y and I shift 3x and minus 1 on the right side of equal. Okay, here I get minus 2y is equal to minus 1 become plus 1 and plus 3x become minus 3x on the right side of equal. Now y is equal to, I divide here with minus 2. When I first of all I cancel minus, I multiply with minus 1 on both sides. Okay, and here I get plus 2y, and here I get 3x minus 1, and y is equal to 3x minus 1 by 2. Because 2 is multiplying on the left side of equal, it will be multiplied on the right side of equal. And this is in the standard shape of y is equal to mx plus c. Now simply, first of all we put some values of x and we get the values of y. I make tables here. X and here y. I put randomly values. I put 1, x is equal to 1 and minus 1. When I put the values of x, 1 and minus 1 in this equation, and I get two values of y. Number 1 is when I put 1 I get 1, and when I put minus 1 I get minus 2, the value of y. Okay, now we are drawing the as we have to draw the graph, so I am drawing the graph of this. Here is x-axis and this is y-axis, and it is 1, 2, and here this is 1, 2. Here x is minus 1 and here is minus 1, minus 2. Because we get one value of y is minus 2, that's why I draw here y minus 2. Okay, when we draw a line we get a line. Yes, we get this line. Okay, this is a graph that we have to draw. Okay, you also mark here, this is 1 and 1, and this is 1 and minus 2, sorry, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, now we are solving its next part. Its next part is short syllabus question is question number 4, part number 3. Question number 4. And it's part number 3, that is short syllabus question. And you know that we are solving short syllabus question. Here value here line is given, that is f is equal to 9/5c plus 32. Okay, now we put randomly values of c and f. I write here c, and here I get the values of f, and I put randomly values of c. You can put any value of c, but graph will be same. Okay, f, when I put c is equal to here 0, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first of all I put 0, then I put 10, then I put 20, 50. 20 and 50, and these are cancel out. Okay, then I get the values of f that are 30. When I put the value of c in this equation, I get some values of f that are 32, 50, 32, 50, 68 and 122. Okay, सो मैं आपको एक वैल्यू पुट करके दिखा देता हूँ आपके पास f इज इक्वल टू क्या है 9/5c plus 32 है. Now here f is equal to 9/5. I put the value of c, that is 0. I am putting the first value and आपने ये बाकी वैल्यू पुट कर लेनी है. ये मैंने रैंडमली वैल्यूज दी हैं, आप कोई भी ले सकते हैं. प्लस यहाँ पर आपके पास क्या आएगा 32. 0, when you know that when a number is multiplied with 0, the answer will be 0. 0 plus 32, here we get 32. Now we draw its graph. Its graph will be like this. This graph will be like this. Here is this is a point 0 and 32, and then this point will be 10 and 50, 10, 50, and then this point will be 20 and 62. 68, sorry. And this is the required graph. Okay, now next we are solving short syllabus question, exercise 8.3, question number 4. Now we are starting. Exercise 8.3. Its short syllabus class work question is only one, that is question number 4, and that is we have to also here draw a graph. Okay, sorry. Here lines given are, there are two lines are given here. One is x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and second one line is given, that is x minus y plus 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, you know that first of all we separate y variable because we want to write it in the form of general form, that is y is equal to mx plus c, and here m is a slope. Okay, now here x plus y is equal to 1 minus x, here y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now table we take difference values of, and you know that, then we take difference values of x and y. I draw a graph properly like this. Oh, it's not good. 14. X and here y. You know that we take different values of x and y. So here I take -4. You can take any number, and then I take 6. You can take any number. When I put here x is equal to -4, I get the value of y. First 5. Then when I put 6, I get -5. Okay, and here. X, y. Here I take the values of x are 4 and -5. You can take any number. You can take here 6 and 8. You can any digits. I am taking 4 and 5. 4 and -5. Here I get the value of y, that is 5 and -4. 5 and -4. When I put these pairs in graph, I get a graph like this. Okay, now the required graph will be like this. You can draw it by the help of scale. Okay. These are intersecting at this point. This is a point -4, 5, and here is a point that is 4, 5, and here the point is 6, -5, and here the point is -5, -4. Okay, and the point of intersection is here यहाँ पर पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन होगा. आप यहाँ से जब स्केल से ड्रा करेंगे तो ये जो पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन है वो यहाँ पर बन रहा होगा, दैट इज 0 and 1, and this is the required graph of exercise 8.3. And now we are solving its review exercise. The short syllabus question of review exercise is question number 1, that is the MCQ. You can solve easily. If you understand chapter number 8, you can easily solve that MCQ. Now we are solving question number 4, part number 2 and part number 5, okay, of review exercise. Its part number 2 is y is equal to 7. And we have to write on a graph y is equal to 7, and you know that this is x-axis and y-axis, x-axis, and this is y-axis, and we have to draw y is equal to 7. When y is equal to 7 means x is equal to 0, and its graph will be parallel to x-axis like this. Okay. Now we are solving question number 4. Part number 5. Its part number 5 is y is equal to 4x. Now I am solving its question number 4, part number 5. Part number 5, that is y is equal to 4x. Okay, y is equal to 4x, and you know that when two variables are given, we take one arbitrary number like this, x and y. I put some values of x, that is 0, 1 and -1. Then we get some values of y according to x, that are 0, 4, -4. Okay, when I put the value of 0, 1, -1 in this equation, I get y is equal to 0, 4 and -4. here this is y-axis and this is x-axis. I get a graph like this. When I put in these values, here I get -1, -4. This is a point that is 0, 0 means origin, and here a point will be 1, 4. And our review exercise is also done, and our chapter number 8 is complete. Inshallah, we start chapter number 9 in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.